It is 200 rupees per head to enter. Whether you dip yourself in the hot water spring or no, you have to pay. So like that, once we cross this bridge, Annapurna Base Camp is complete. Yes! Both long. Entry point of Annapurna Base Camp. Hello people, welcome back. Today is the 28th of December. It is 5:50. We haven't packed anything. Everything is left open because we're going to visit the hot spring here in Jinu. We'll go check that hot spring out, come back, and then we hardly have about 15-minute walk. From there, we'll board a cab. We'll go to Nayapula. We'll go to Nayapul. Our bus will be there. We'll take the bus and go back to Lake Mahal. So that is pretty much the plan today. Nothing more than that. So it's quite dark. Bro, what are you doing? Yeah, chalo, let's move. 5:58. We have to pack. So this is going to be only baggage. Both of them have prepared themselves to take a dip in the hot spring there. See? Towel with goggles.
Don't show all this, dude. This is some private things.
दिखाएंगे. See that? All ಇದೆ boss. It's big there, not bad. There, Pune mein. Allondiದೆ, here one is there. Now I don't know in which hot water is there.
ये hot spring कहाँ है? Hot spring इधर उधर.
How warm is it? It's not that hot. It's okay warm. It's nice. It's not smelly, but
It's not that bad.
go to the stream and come. Wow. I like this part. Hot spring is not my kind of thing. This is good. I'll go there and take some pictures. We're enjoying the hot bath. One GoPro inside the water, one GoPro outside the water.
Only outside the water.
Hey! There's a tank here, there's a tank there. There's one below also. Patience. This here. This side there's cold water flowing, that side there's hot water coming from the mountain. specialty hot water spring in Jinu. I think it's time to leave. We'll have to trek back up about 30 minutes, I think. This fellow has been coming with me only now. The rest of them are behind. I anyway didn't step inside the water pond, whatever you call it. So we just started. We're almost there. Almost here, a little more. I reached the checkpost and they've come for duty. So after we finished, we have to pay. Ticket. It is 200 rupees per head to enter. Whether you dip yourself in the hot water spring or no, you have to pay. Boys, all set? Last few steps before we board the jeep. For 15 minutes, huh?
Yeah, 15-20 minutes.
Hindi ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. After breakfast, you just have to walk across the bridge. I think the first day we're starting late.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
We're starting at 10:19.
Last year हम
Huh?
हम लोग शुरू हो गया ट्रैक सुबह करके आए.
सुबह करके आए ट्रैक ना हम.
We have completed one short trek in morning.
Yes. So this was our stay in Jinu. Very nice stay. It felt like 5-star hotel in the mountains.
This one? Not like that.
With all luxuries.
Not like that, but just we'll try our best.
Yeah.
Normally is provided not from Indian agency, not from Nepal agency. It's from my side.
Oh,
outside.
okay.
It's normally because when the book is like there is about like you booked in India, then they booked in
Nepal.
and they from Nepal agency booked with me.
Okay.
And then it's everyone has their own agreement.
Okay. Individual agreements. are
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Okay, it works like that. I've been following your Nepal agency for last 2.5 years on Instagram.
Yeah.
Regarding that bike trip and all. So I've been speaking to them on Instagram regularly.
Yeah.
So when I saw that post, I was like, why my photo is there here? This is, I think, ये longest suspension bridge है नेपाल का? ये नहीं है?
कुछ नहीं.
ये ट्रिप का यही longest है ना?
इधर का ही है. सही है.
Okay. One more suspension bridge.
सर हम साढे जितनी छ सर. ए ल हामी फुल तर थाल्यो ल त्यो गरेर. सर.
Yes. Woo! This is high and long as well. Oh yeah, today no cap, nothing. Today just enjoying the weather. This is long. This is quite long. It's not that short. This is one of the starting points for Annapurna Base Camp trek. So you can start from Jino or from Gandruk as well, as we did. So we went to Gandruk, finished the base camp, and from Chumrong we came down to Jino and we're done. That's how it finishes. See? See you again. Annapurna Base Camp trek. So like that, once we cross this bridge, Annapurna Base Camp is complete. Yes! Both long. Entry point of Annapurna Base Camp. We've reached the jeep counter after the entrance near the bridge. From here we'll go this jeep, we'll go towards Nepal and we'll be dropped off at a place and we'll have to walk for another 30 minutes to board the bus. We have one more short walk left for the day. And I spotted this motorcycle. Nice. Sarvagya is sitting and analyzing. I have Pulsars, Bajaj, Dio, Ntorq, Pulsar, everything is there, but this one stands out always. From Kayo, T4 Racing. Okay, boys!
Yes!
Successfully completed the ABC trek.
ABC track. And the party and the hot spring, everything. Yes.
Full rhymes.
When we will reach in the bus station, like last station,
Yeah.
jeep, just wait there. Huh?
Sure.
From there we have to walk about 25 minutes to half hour to the bus.
Oh,
Yeah. Just enjoy, just see the view in Gandruk.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Chill guys.
Chill. Everyone has a bag here, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, it's good. Lovely.
Bye guys. We miss you. See you. Bye guys. ठाकुर जी तुम लेट हो गए आज
ठाकुर साहब आ जाओ
ठाकुर साहब दूसरा गाड़ी में आए.
ठाकुर आज से फौजी हो गया
लीडर है फौजी का
लीडर है 1 2 3 4 5 आज के लीडर ही हो गया
Supposed to walk this part, right? As per the itinerary.
We are cheating.
We are cheating the last day. Cheat day.
पार्टी हो गया मतलब
And we made it. So this is Gandruk circle hiking route map. Okay, we have some information here. You see this? You want details? How to trek? Everything is here. Offload bags and again walk for some time. I think, what's the time? It's 11:15. सब आने के बाद हम कहीं नहीं जाएंगे. बैठ जाओ अंदर, चाय पी लो. And this is the last bit of walking we'll be doing now. We boarded off from the taxi stand We're walking through Gandruk village towards the bus stop. School boys, they're reading. We came from here, went up to Gandruk, and from Jinnu, we came all the way from the school down there. So we did one circle around that hill basically. From Gandruk we went towards Chumrong, and from Chumrong we came to Jinnu and came back to Gandruk. Thank you for visiting us, Gandruk TMC. We reached, our bus is here, the green villa. Let's come. Hotel Agan. यही है ना?
परसों वो गाड़ी तो नहीं है,
वो ये नहीं है.
734 था उसका नंबर.
Okay. This is not the vehicle that we came in. We'll have to wait, confirm and check before boarding. That was quick actually, no?
Yeah.
Wasn't that far? Didn't feel like 30 minutes.
Yeah, but last time
We walked this path. Nice. Our bus is somewhere down. We reached. There's something written here, no? Yeah, Off-Road King. Off-Road King is here.
छिर्छ माथि लएर खोले हुन्थ्यो नि.
We board the bus. Settle down. 1.5 घंटा लगेगा ना यहाँ से?
पोखरा.
हाँ. We'll take 1.5 hours. On our way to Pokhara, we stopped for some snacks and we're shocked to read this. Welcome to Lumle, the place where it rains the most in Nepal. So it is like how Chirapunji is for India, Lumle is for Nepal. Arvind is having chai. Chandra is also having chai. So it is not lunch break, it is snack break. Basically, quick lunch. Everyone had momos and I had samosa. They had something else.